All right, environmentalists are stepping up warnings about the dangers of plastic waste in our oceans. Scientists say plastic trash goes into the marine food chain after it washes out to sea. Now, that means it could eventually end up on your dinner plate. Recycling is only a partial solution because, as we reported Monday, most products cannot be recycled. Janet Shamlian shows us how a cutting-edge plant outside Portland, Oregon may hold the key to keeping plastic out of the ocean.
This could be any recycling center in America. But what's happening inside is different than any other plant and could be a game changer for the entire industry.
This will all be processed by tomorrow morning.
Bill Cooper is the CFO of Agilex, a company recycling products chemically.
What actually is chemical recycling?
So with chemical recycling, we break down plastic to its core building blocks, down to the molecular level. Unlike mechanical recycling, which takes the plastic and reforms it into a usable pellet again.
In other words, taking used plastics, melting them down into a liquid, and turning them back into new plastics. Most plastic we toss in a recycling bin actually can't be recycled, a staggering 91%. Anything dirty or contaminated by food usually gets sent to a landfill.
We can handle meat packaging, fish packaging. The level of contamination doesn't affect our process.
And that means a whopping 95% of what comes in here can be reprocessed. It's one of only a handful of plants doing this in the United States. Here's why it matters. A dead whale found in the Philippines earlier this month filled with plastic, 88 pounds of it. Another washed ashore in Italy last week with almost 50 pounds. The world's oceans are becoming